Hey gang, hope everybody's doing fantastic today. We appreciate you coming along on the windshield tours. And today we're at Bridgewater, DR Horton community along County Road 210, just east of I-95. 436 home sites, multiple floor plans, garages, amenities, and we're going to learn a little bit. So come on along. Hey gang, before we get into the community, let me show you something real quick. There's a little busy intersection right here, but that's I-95 right there. Gas stations, truck stops. Right, but there's a whole retail space over there with restaurants and all kind of cool stuff in there. And then straight down 210 here to the east is where Beach Walk, bunch of other retail, Publix, Lowe's, all kind of stuff down that direction. Just short distance away, no big deal. So let's go check out Bridgewater. All right, gang, we're gonna make our way into Bridgewater here by Townhomes by DR Horton. We appreciate you guys coming along today. Gang, as we make our way into the community, that's the model center there on the left. Again, Bridgewater's 436 square feet, 436 homes, 5 different floor plans ranging from 1,200 square feet to 1,795 square feet. So pretty cool. Multiple size buildings, multiple layouts. I'm going to turn the air on. It's a little warm in here today. So pretty cool. They've done a good job with the architecture. I love the board and batten. I like the slab siding. All 4 of the plans are single cars, and then you have the Wesley that is, the Keaton, that's a 2-car garage, okay? Right now we're passing the amenity center, which we will go ahead and do that filming as well for you guys. Sharon and I do appreciate you coming along. Always happy to give you guys great information. We love what we do. We try to be real people and give you great information. So with that being said, you can drive through. It's a really nice, tidy community, I'll say. This is the first phase, this is the first phase we're coming through now. We're going to be going into the second phase here shortly, and that's really going to give you guys a good understanding of how much they got going on that are still available. Again, 436 home sites. They got about 200 still left to sell. They have about, looks like, I'm going to say about 80 inventory homes, and then of course the remaining 120-ish are still yet to build. So you'll get to see some of those. And on this playlist, of course, I'll have all 5 plans: the Aspen, Wesley, Oakley, Harper, and the Keaton. All right. So hope you guys are doing great today. That's a good looking little Miata right there. Let's get over here. And when we get into the next phase, you're going to see how much construction is going on. It's pretty dang busy. So again, this will give you kind of a good insight as to what the streetscapes look like. And in phase 2, if you're to purchase over there, you'll know what it's going to eventually look like without all the construction trucks on the road. But what I am starting to see is resales here in phase 1. So if we can help get you some information on a resale in here, that would be fantastic too. We can get you a whole list. Okay, no big deal. If someone's getting ready for Thanksgiving. Yeah, it is. It's what is it, 78 degrees out here. It's almost Thanksgiving. So and Sharon and I want to say happy Thanksgiving, Merry Christmas, happy holidays to folks. Hope everybody has a great great holiday with family and friends. We always say family first. Family first, no matter what. So let's go out here, and this is Moon Bay Parkway, Moon Bay Parkway, and it comes off to the right. It comes off as County Road 210, which is just east of I-95. All right, so super easy access to Jacksonville, St Augustine. Downtown St Augustine, that sort of thing. All right. Again, and HOA numbers. HOA numbers are $65 a month. CDD bond is $775 a year, and O&M is $633 a year. So that makes it, what, about $1,400? $1,400 a year for a CDD, which isn't bad because it's a pretty nice place. So let's kind of come in here, and we'll show you what's happening in phase 2. Again, most of the stuff towards the front of phase 2, I'll say, if you want to call it the front, is pretty well completed. The back and the farthest point in phase 2 are still being built. You'll see that here in just a minute. What else can I tell you while we're driving around here? Lots of restaurants close by. Again, I-95 access, and 210. This whole 210 corridor up here is just blown up. You know, down by Beach Walk with all the stores, all the retail, all the restaurants. Super cool up here. So if you work in Jacksonville or you work somewhere like Clay County or someplace like that, this would be a great, great location. All right, we're gonna go back here where they're doing all the construction. So I'm glad I started mounting this camera on the dash, because holding it, sometimes going through where it's really tight space can be really difficult. So let's take a peek in here. And the superintendent that's building these homes, because you got the subs that are building, but the superintendent that's responsible for the subs is one of the best DR Horton has to offer. He is amazing. He has built some homes for us, and he is really good. He doesn't take any stuff. He is pretty anal about how the subs must do work. So you can see all the stuff that's going on back here. Pretty cool. These are all available homes. Again, there's close to 80 available inventory homes. Let me go around all this. There we go. Nice. So you got it all painted up here, ready to go. Then we're gonna take a left here, and you're gonna see ones that aren't painted yet, and then some vacant lots. So you're right in the middle of the new stuff now. Look at this. Pretty nifty. All right, so there's plenty more to get in here, plenty of opportunity. I don't know, 20 buildings, 20 times 4, 80, maybe 25 buildings, I'm guessing, depending on how big the buildings are. But anyway, quite a few still left to go in here. All right, coming down here, you can see all the electricians and plumbers all hard at work. Let me slow down a little bit. This is kind of a great way of seeing the new construction mixed with some, or brand new, just being built, mixed with, you know, they're already built. There's John's truck now, that gray Chevy right there. That's John Gross. He's doing it. He told me earlier he was doing, there he is walking. He was doing a final walk. That's him walking right now. I think I'm going to stop and talk to him. I'll be back with you guys in just a second. All right, gang, I just talked to Mr. John. Excellent superintendent. He was giving me the lowdown on some stuff, and I complimented him about the elevations in here and how well they're detailed. He is seriously detailed oriented. He was telling me about how these are actually built. We all know about parapet walls, we know about dividing units and everything, but these are done with a 2-inch, not just sheetrock or fire rated sheetrock. Between each unit in here, there is 2 inches of concrete. And then there's a framed wall with rolled back insulation on either side of that. They said that the noise between units in here is negligible. Crazy. And I took a picture while I was standing there of the way the elevations look, so you guys can see in a picture how nice, how even the battens are. He does such a phenomenal job. Like I said, it's the superintendents in the communities that make or break a home and how things are managed. So anyway, John does a great job. We love working with him, and you would be proud to be in one of his homes. He was in there doing a personal cleaning before their first walk on the home he was just in. So he takes great pride, like they all do. All of them do. They all take great pride, but John's a special one. Anyway, all right, I hope you enjoyed the tour of Bridgewater. We enjoy giving you guys great information. All right, gang, I hope you've enjoyed Bridgewater. We truly enjoy giving you guys information. We truly enjoy staying engaged with what's going on in St. Johns County and the surrounding areas. We love knowing what's going on, and we love relaying that information to you guys. So if you need any more information, want us to help you get into a great home, I promise we'll take great care of you, educate you along the way, hand carry everything from start to finish. We're engaged from the beginning to the end, my friends. You will be impressed. Anyway, I want you to have a fantastic day. Give Sharon and I a shout out if we can help, or get you some information. All right? So take care.